Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the Testo 270 cooking oil tester. The Testo 270 deep fry oil tester measures the quality of the deep fry oil through percentage of total polar materials. TPM percentage is a good indicator of the quality and safety of cooking oil and helps you find the right time to change the oil. So you're not wasting money changing it too early and not compromising product quality and safety by leaving it too late. The Testo 270 features an easy to interpret traffic light backlit LCD. When the backlight is green, it means the TPM content is okay, orange means the value is borderline, and when red, the TPM value has been exceeded. In the box there's a carrying and storage case, a bottle of reference oil for checking your Testo 270, an information sheet for the reference oil, two included AAA batteries, some paperwork. This includes a short user manual as well as a full user manual, a calibration certificate, and a handy laminated product guide. This includes a step-by-step guide on preparation, measurement, maintenance, reference oil preparation, calibration and adjustment, and the cooking oil tester. With the probe shaft, this has minimum and maximum immersion depth indicators, and the oil quality and temperature sensor on the bottom. The handle is ergonomically designed to prevent the direct exposure of heat from the oil to your hands. There's a large backlit LCD screen, control keys, these are up and down selections, hold and power, and the battery compartment below. To get started, unscrew the battery compartment and insert the included batteries, observing the polarity. Then press the power button to turn the unit on. The meter is now ready to take TPM measurements and cooking oils. For more information on the Testo 270 cooking oil tester, speak with an instrument choice scientist. Contact details can be found in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!